Lennox AC Error Code L2 indicates that your outdoor unit is experiencing high temperature protection. This is a safety mechanism designed to prevent overheating and potential damage to the compressor and other critical components. When the outdoor unit's temperature exceeds a safe threshold, typically between 140 to 160 degree Fahrenheit or 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, the system shuts down and displays the L2 error code. Before calling a technician, there are a few things you can check yourself. First, ensure that there is adequate clearance of 2 to 3 feet around the outdoor unit and that vents aren't blocked by debris or vegetation. Next, visually inspect the condenser coils for dirt and debris. If they appear dirty, proceed to the next step after turning off the AC unit. To clean the condenser coils, you'll need a fin comb to gently remove debris and a garden hose with a gentle spray nozzle to rinse away dirt. The fin comb has metal tines that help remove dirt without damaging the delicate fins. Use a hose with a gentle spray nozzle to rinse the coils, ensuring the water pressure isn't too high to prevent bending the fins. Before starting, always disconnect power to the unit by turning it off and unplugging it to prevent electrical shocks. The condenser coils consist of thin metal fins that can easily bend. Handle them carefully during cleaning. Start cleaning from the inside of the unit and work your way out, gently removing dirt and debris that restricts airflow. Use the fin comb to gently comb through the fins, removing buildup without bending or damaging them. Follow up with a gentle hose spray to rinse away the dirt and debris you've loosened. Cleaning removes dirt that blocks airflow, as shown in this before and after comparison. After cleaning, wait 30 to 60 minutes before restarting the unit to let everything dry and settle properly. If cleaning the condenser coils doesn't resolve the L2 error, low refrigerant levels may be the culprit. Low refrigerant causes poor heat transfer in the system, leading to overheating in the outdoor unit and triggering the L2 protection. Checking and recharging refrigerant levels requires specialized equipment and expertise, such as manifold gauge sets used to measure system pressures. Technicians also use leak detectors to find any refrigerant leaks that could cause the low levels. Refrigerant handling involves specific safety protocols, as shown in this diagram of proper gauge connections. Mishandling refrigerants can be hazardous and harmful to the environment. Always contact a certified HVAC technician to diagnose and address any refrigerant leaks. If the L2 error code persists even after cleaning the condenser coils and verifying refrigerant levels, there may be other underlying issues at play. One common culprit is a faulty fan motor in the outdoor unit. This can cause inadequate airflow, leading to heat buildup. A malfunctioning temperature sensor can also trigger the L2 protection. These sensors monitor the unit's temperature and may need resistance testing. Environmental factors like direct sunlight exposure can exacerbate the problem by heating the outdoor unit excessively. Adding shade, such as an awning or vegetation, can help reduce the unit's operating temperatures and prevent L2 errors. These components and environmental factors should always be inspected and addressed by a qualified HVAC technician to ensure safe and proper repairs. Regular preventative maintenance is essential to prevent Lennox AC error code L2. By keeping your system in optimal condition, you can avoid the high temperature issues that trigger this protective shutdown. Schedule annual checkups with a qualified HVAC technician. These professional inspections ensure your system operates at peak efficiency and catch potential problems early. During these checkups, technicians perform comprehensive maintenance, including cleaning the coils to remove dirt and debris, checking refrigerant levels for proper cooling, inspecting fan motors and belts for wear, and identifying any potential issues before they become problems. The benefits of regular preventative maintenance are significant. By staying on top of your HVAC system's health, you can prevent up to 70% of L2 error cases, saving both time and repair costs while ensuring reliable cooling performance. Lennox is integrating advanced diagnostics into newer AC models to proactively prevent L2 errors. These systems use AI-driven apps and firmware updates that monitor ambient temperatures and unit performance in real time. Energy efficient refrigerants and variable speed compressors further reduce the risk of overheating by maintaining optimal operating temperatures. The future of HVAC points towards smarter, more resilient systems that are less prone to L2 errors, combining predictive analytics with sustainable technology.